Gary, 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 Gary.
Look so pretty.
Thing lock him out, tight his line out. Tire punch, me ride and rim it out. You have to know the thing set, baby. Jungle man, you know. You're not a jungle man. See, you have love.
Thank you.
Me never say a lie. Him never rape her. Cause remember me eat the man like poison. Remember me not like him and me not depend inside neither.
Celebrate good times. Come on, man. Welcome, burritos. Woo! Macarena. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you roll it around. You roll it around. Oh no, 2 out of them. Boxco Burritos, welcome to this special social media countdown on the Hear Me Sing celebration music. And it is because we finally hit the 300,000 subscribers. Woo! Yes! Oh my God. Woo! Yes! You know how long it took me to get here? Some people reach it in like 1 year. But for me, a long time with it on YouTube. You know, me I celebrate the 10th anniversary of the social media countdown. And so to finally get to 300,000 in this year is indeed a very big and, momentous occasion. Okay? And so I had mentioned earlier that because of this special year, I'm going to give you some little giveaways and things and such like that, but I'm not going to mention everything just yet. But let me just take the time to go and announce and go declare, call out Grand Palladium and being a sponsor for this special year. So big up Grand Palladium right now. And so for the remainder, a couple months, you're not going to see one about Grand Palladium ads. I'm going to talk to the people them and these things because, you know what important? Them not just come on as a regular sponsor, They are giving away a 3-day, 2-night stay to a special burrito. You can come from yard or abroad. I will share further details in the coming weeks. So just make sure, when I say I want my loyal day one fans them to reach to the front of the line, to make sure so no go there. Come on, the people them know Dutty Berry like the back of them hand. Okay? Alright, anyway. We have a whole heap of things to go and talk about, including Spice. We have drama with RT, Bass, Shelly, and Kuran, Danger, all kind of things. So let's not waste any further time. Let's get into this Monday social media countdown.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender. All them suck me out, what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Shelly Opener. Me 100 meter. All right, burritos. So Shelly and Fraser Price, you know our star athlete. She has been laying low this track season when everybody else running, Ilian Thompson and others have running and declared and showed their status. Well, boy, things kind of really look rough on the 100 meter for this year. Jeez, and woman, them like, Lord gosh. Yeah, man. But anyway, so everyone was anticipating when the legend Shelly and Fraser Price was going to open her season and return to the track. So all eyes were on her for the French foray that was held at the National Stadium. Hopefully I pronounce the name right. That was put on by J-A-A-A. Yeah, man, AAA battery. Them. And so it was the last event. People did, everybody did just anxious, wanting to see what kind of time. Some people have said 10.7, some people have said 10.8. But this is what Shelly Ann did. Watch. All right. All right. I mean, we don't want to see sub 11. But she start her season late and she'll go warm up. You know, she will get better after each round. And so I'm just glad that she did this race and was injury-free. So big up yourself, Shirley and Fraser Price. And we are still going to be rooting for you for in this Olympic Games. Boy, I can't wait for Paris. Number 9, Father's Day surprise. Me a lot of 1+. Not sure why I said a lot of 1+. But yeah, number 9 goes to this Father's Day surprise video. So, you know, over the weekend celebrated Father's Day. Big up to all the fathers them who watch the social media countdown. Big up the ones them who definitely in them pitney life and industrious. When the pitney say, what my favorite color daddy, the father can say, you know your favorite color blue. When I talk about the one them, I don't know nothing about them pitney and can't even remember what their age is. Yeah man, big up the good father them, right? And so this young man, he seems to take some time from his father. He look like he must travel and migrate and all kind of things. And he decided to just pop up on his father at his house. Take a look.
Surprising my father in Jamaica.
Brother D. Yes, you're drunk, color come. Yes, you're drunk, color come. Oi. Yes, you're drunk, color come.
You know, what I like with these Jamaican fathers is the fact say, them not gonna really do all about physical bonding and love, but when your father call you the drunk ready, you must know say that a theme way of saying, son, I'm glad to see you, I miss you, I love you. Like a Jamaican man, we don't really have much emotional, we don't really know how to give. You know, you get one of them something here, you know, separate you. You get me? You get a little, you're there. You just know so that means say, I cherish you, my son, okay? So, big up all of the Jamaican dads out there who show love in their own unique way. Number 8, Shaggy Uptown cuss off. All right, now, so international dancehall superstar Shaggy was recently at what we're going to call it, an Uptown party, and he never liked how the crowd did a move when he hear certain song play. Watch.
Pull up. That's why I like the brown Uptown blood clot party, I know. Gary. When we're in the streets, can't tired, when we're in the streets and them tune your trap, appear on another blood clot here. All them blood clot brown people, put up on right now. Run the tune right now.
I'll show you face, Mr. Cat, yeah! Lord of mercy. Come and special dedication to one farmer, whether you live a center or in a Nova, that this is Mr. Cat.
That is it, Shaggy. That is it. No, I mean alone the shock says Shaggy actually cuss bad word. Like we know Shaggy can get cross, angry and miserable like any other dancehall entertainer, but we never really hear it very often. And so I blame it on the alcohol. And the alcohol, me go blame it pan because Shaggy no normally out in a public like this really piss him off. But it shouldn't come as a surprise because in the last, I think on the last social media countdown, I did play a clip with Noah Lyles, where Noah Lyles say him come to Jamaica when him go on one of the party them, everybody up there show off them name brand and a bistush and nobody now chuck and dive and all the little something them. And he wants to see people fully immersed in the dancehall space, enjoying themselves. And so I get it, Shaggy, but listen, me, I'm one of them people that will show up a dance now for just take picture and just drink and go my yard. Like, we pass the days them where people are run a party and I left with them clothes, dirty up and tear out and them something there. Everybody want to be Dolly and Barbie and Ken nowadays. People are focused on image right now. I saw the people them want to go and pose now. I saw you for those. You get me? But no one go come from dance and molly. And next thing all the selector go say, like, all if you have no green, put it under the ear. You can't do that when you are going too wild. But you want to smell as good as how you came. That is it. So, Shaggy, this is the state of Jamaica right now. Just see what we do. Number 7, drive-by dancing. You know, I absolutely loved this video. No, I do not know who this person is, but him just recorded some young men who were, I guess, on the roadside, and they were dancing to Skanks. Y'all to men that talk about this. Oh, you suck up in a cheap party. And you tell him anyway, watch. Yo, honestly, you see the little youth there at the end? Shell, like all of them take the cake in the mama. But the brother here, him different, like him did like give personality, flair and vibe and all kind of things. Like, this was just a fun video for watch, and it's just nice to see the young people that might enjoy themselves like this and show off them talents. Like, boy, but Skeng, I don't think Skeng they give the song enough promotion because this song is a classic. Like me, I gotta tell him, man, like when Skeng say, girl, something like that. Or you suck cock up in a cheap panty. Come on now. I'm gonna look you and I'm gonna give you a compliment and then also I'm gonna tell you say your panty cheap. Come on. This is Jamaican lyrics 101. Which other country you can find something like this? How you suck cock up in a cheap panty? Jesus, Pim. Come on, man. Brilliant. Well, anyway, burritos, let me know what you thought of the video. Number 6, Dionne serves. All right, burritos, now, so you know Dionne Jackson Miller, the host of All Angles. I'm Dionne Jackson Miller. Welcome to another special edition with the Parliamentary Secretary of the JLP, the Jamaica Labour Party. You know, I'm not going to tell Dionne box me on my face. Anyway, so Dionne Jackson Miller, she recently celebrated her birthday. And let me just say, some time ago, she interviewed this very popular stylist by the name of Bootleg Rockstar. And they had somehow, I guess, mentioned that they would like to work with each other at some point. And it looked like the point actually arrived for her birthday celebration because Nico Kelly got Dionne for go full dolly settings now and a show off her curves. Because let me tell you, like people, Dionne has been going viral the other day because people have realized why the show name went name. Because Dionne have every single shape out of the geometry set. The woman just set good like a cartel it say, like ice in a freezer. Like, come on, man. That's how you call beauty brains and body. Come on, man. Jesus Christ. They didn't even make all angles. TVJ, if you don't know, if you don't viewership, move the desk from all angles and make Dionne Jackson Miller turn up. Like so. Full bodied. So, that's what you need to do to her. Okay? Anyway, I'm really chatting at the countdown, Anyway, so just take a look at the behind the scenes and then I'll show you the pictures after.
Styling Dionne Jackson Miller for her birthday shoot.
I love it. It's not that cold. Looks so pretty.
Hey, I'm gonna be able to ride Style to Rock.
Period.
Oh wow, boy. One thing, when Nico get the woman, them, like him really know if it just remix the thing and just show one different side to them. And so these are the finished photograph. Boy, Dionne, I love this. I love this for you, Dionne Jackson Miller. She also have her new YouTube channel, so go and check her out on our YouTube page. And that's all I have to say. Big up yourself, Miss All Angles, and happy belated birthday. Number 5, Nerd Boss. Me book back. All right, now, so burritos, this video comes from a social media user, TikTok user by the name of Remix Boss. And you know the name, so I guess some remix songs. So Valiant has his song Godfather now that, has featured the Murder Bounce dance. And so he decided to remix the song and make it a nerd edition. And just watch.
I love my book, my favorite. In a class, me can be the latest. Teacher know that I'm not playing. Yeah. Every teacher teach me, I write down that. Me a race and a wait for the next work start. You want look in my book, nobody think about that. Well, I me answer them right, no wrong bang. Move on ya. I bet some call teacher. Me hand just a wave like a bandana. If my book ever drop, nobody looking at that. As I get one slap. When me come fi walk, you can't stop that. Yeah, me done my work, me want start back. Yeah, me love the test, me have to pass that. Yeah, the teacher love me, not ask that.
That is it, remix boss, that is it. These are the type of songs where people need for carry go to high school, them go sing in front of the picnic them. Yeah man, I love my book, my favorite. That is the vibes. That is it. I liked it. I liked the remix. I thought it was fun. It was clever. You play upon a popular trend. It was definitely cool. And it reminded me of the type of nerdification that I usually epitomized when I was in high school. Because I see him so many used to remix certain songs. Like let me just tell you one of the songs them. Sean Paul's, wait name again, We Be Burning. Sean Paul have a song, We Be Burning. And I remember as a chemistry student, I was learning about, some stuff. So let me just go and give you a song that I wrote about electrolytes. Let me just tell you, Sean Paul, we be burning, not concerning what nobody wanna say. Yeah, man, that will tell you the story already. So my version was, let me see if I remember it. Give me a second. So this is my version, ready? An electrolyte is a substance which either in the solid form or in the molten form can conduct an electric current and can decompose by the same current. Better know this. Jesus, people, you couldn't talk to me them time there. You couldn't. I'm not getting applause. Thank you, Berrydos. Thank you. Yeah, man, nerd from long time, man. But yeah, man, so remix boss, pick up yourself. Number 4, Dolly, corn, beef, McGriss. All right. Yes, so Berrydos, I'm going to tell you, I appear Dolly around the place right now. But you have some Dolly with no about hard life and working on a budget, being thrifty, being penny wise, and not all about the flossing and the hyping. So check out this video with this girl and her goodie friend.
Why am I saying let's go get something to eat and the girl we could buy one canned beef and bread, put it in a one cup.
It will serve us longer. So when we're hungry 30 minutes past set, we can say, yeah, jump, go make a next sandwich. You have to know the thing set, baby. Jungle man, You're the a jungle man. See, I'm in love.
Thank you.
This is where when the man did that song about her again, when the artist on was sing Shoba, 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 yeah. Warrior King, man. Yeah, man, them type of woman here, Warrior King did a sing about a virtuous woman. The woman literally said she not spend the money, The woman walk with the piece of plastic cup and the what you call it, the sausage. Jesus, people, that is it, man. That is it, man. Work on a budget. So, Berrydos, let me know. And them type of woman here. We need to see more of on social media. So down the comments. Number 3, skin out high. Okay, all right. Berrydos, I don't know. Maybe you've been living under a rock and you never hear a song from a dancehall artist. I think she's a Grenadian or St. Vincent. I think one of them country. Correct me in the comments, right? And Sita, the lyrical diva. And so she has a song that has been trending on TikTok especially that is called Skin It Out. Take a look.
That one your name, Skin It Out. Turn back way in my dig it out. Pussy cross, so me pussy cream, so him frig it out. Backseat cross me face, spitting up me mouth. Give it to jiggle while me need them giving out. Rock clit and try re-enter. The tight thing lock him out. Tight is flying out. Tire puncher, me rider, rim it out. Hit them bed head, knock, bed foot, pop, bed frame, drop.
Skin It Out. Oh wow, them and the song, it vulgar, it not have too much whole heap of curse word, but the song still pack a punch, right? And so, some artists were invited to perform and to do some songs at the Spanish Town High School. And while there, she somehow decided to drop that very popular TikTok single. Take a look. Now man, Sita. Sita, the lyrical diva. You never see that. You never see that, Sita. I want high school, you there, Sita. Oh, Lord of mercy. The girl got to go sing it, you know. And let me just go be on her side a little bit. She tried to sing a clean version, but the way other song the vulgar, not even the clean version. Just like how if Gage could go up at the school go sing Down in Your Throat, girl, even though no bad order in there. Like the fact Emma said Down in Your Throat, girl, the song not appropriate for the space where you're there, alright? Same thing for my guy there where they do theme song. The name again, J Amsterdam, where they sing come. I'm shut my mouth here, I forget how the media work. Come. So anyway, this is what Sita had to say about the situation.
A pleasant morning to everyone. This is your girl Sita Lyrical, aka the artist that went viral over the weekend for all the wrong reasons. Now, that's a very issue I'm here to address. On Friday, I was contracted to perform at Spanish Town High. And when leaving home, it was not my initial intention to perform the freestyle on the Dutty rhythm. But when I got there, I realized that artists were performing the clean versions to their songs. And even the teachers too, as part of the entertainment package for the kids, was performing songs like Ramping Shop and Shensia's Hit and Run, the clean version. So I thought, well, within the context of what is happening here, it's okay for me to perform the clean version of my song. Did I expect that the children would know the lyrics of the song? No. Honestly, from the bottom of my heart. Because as much as I knew that the song had a TikTok buzz, that's all I knew. Because I've performed the song before and I've never heard people sing along to it. So I intended to go on stage, perform the clean version of the song, where if you listen to the video that's circulating now, you would literally hear me say, fling it up, turn that way and live it up. You understand? And that I did. When I did that, I came off stage. Then a teacher saw me and said, why you come off? It's a clean version of the song you perform. I can't go back on, man, because the place did done start to rip up. I go back on the stage now, I perform the song, I sing, I dance a little, and then I come off. I was shocked when I realized that the students knew the song. If you watch the video, you would realize when the students start to sing, I immediately stop sing, I dance, come here, entertainer, I stop sing, I dance a little, and then I came off. I did it the professional way. That is honestly what happened. That is the reality of what happened, right?
Okay, so my girl should share our couple cents them, but like me, I like, girl, your song popular on TikTok, the kids them are on TikTok, like, come on, like, you can't expect them picking you sing the clean version and them not gonna sing the Racha version. Of course, but my blame is really on who invited her without giving her very clear instructions. And so this is how I blame. Sometimes I have too much young teachers where them don't really understand. They don't know the difference between them and the pick them were in the classroom. Because in their mind, them at 16 same because just do what they did, what the other day them left from school. And so I'm like, where was like the proper guideline for each artist to know, say, yo, do not do these songs. This is what you're here to do. Because no, it look bad pan Sita, it look bad pan the administrators, and they pick them just there a gallivant and I say everything because them not even know the difference, right? And it's not the first time, but I really feel like there needs to be a better policy and some stronger guidelines when artists, especially who are known for not really singing family-friendly type of songs and content, when they're going into these, primary schools and high schools, you have to go talk to them. Because you can't expect, say, them are going to know the difference because them artists say them just want crowd interaction. That is it. Some time ago, I think when Armani went to Excelsior High School, him go there and him a sing and him turn out the mic so and the pick them start to sing. Girl, it is wetter than traffic jam in them uniform and everything and them not know say, yo, this not look good for me in my uniform and sing out all of them carelessness here. So come on, man, we got to do better. We got to do better. That is it, but wait, we're not going to go on to the ministry give you a proper social media policy when it come on to high schools and them type of thing. Yeah. Watch and see. Number 2, Rockabye Auntie. All right, my readers know. So, when you know the song when you turn the other way, by I Water. Yeah, man. Rockabye baby, turn the other way. Rockabye baby, turn the other way. And you rockabye. Yeah, man, that song is very popular. And so, I do not know how it reached to this party with all of these aunties. Some people say it was a funeral. Some people say after one wedding celebration. But the two aunties, them definitely a show. Say them all, but they are not cold. Watch.
Come on, baby, do the other way. Do the other way. Come on, baby, do the other way. She let me go. It's Scott celebration.
Why? It come like so when we look on the video, I just know them name. Like, but one of them look like she name like Maureen and Jice and we call it Vernette. Win some, like me just can't see say, and one of them name them have them big woman name there. And the one who did in the chair and a wine same way, you know how they used to get on when they did younger, you know, man. Jesus, pim. I just love seeing when big people enjoy themselves too with contemporary music. So, Burritos, let me know which one of them are you most like, the one standing or the one in the chair? Sound off. And number one goes to Spice versus everybody. Woo! 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 Yeah! Woo! 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 Bring it around town. Woo! Oh God, my word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number one goes to dancehall queen Spice versus everybody. Yeah. Oh, big up Backstreet Boys. Yeah, man. All right. Yeah, man. So, Spice, she has a new single. I know when Spice in a promotion season, Spice just does this. Yeah, you know when Spice promotes something. That's so she carry on. So Spice have a new single that is called 285. Love the music video, nice concept where she's portraying herself to be a granny in the future and she reminisce and talk up the things them, right? And so this song kind of threw shade for whole heap of people and whole heap of past mix-up and involvements. And this was, I guess, her journaling, right? And so Spice, on top of that now, she went on live to just talk about all of the people them talking about who she might be throwing word on. And in this conversation, she brought up her former dancer, Danger, and the speculation at the time that Danger said that her ex-boyfriend, Nicholas, did grape her, right? And Spice is now saying that she don't really believe it. She just feels that our dancer, former friend, they just come in and come take her man. Take a look.
Privacy. Remember no Danger, you DM me out of the blues, you know, man. And when you DM me out of the blues and say you want to talk to me, you say, I don't like what your feelings, you know. You say, I tell you, I'm really right. And what your feelings, yo, don't laugh. Everything you think for blood clot. Yo, that's why I don't like what your feelings, you know, Levite. I reach your feelings, me call, you know. When she call me out of the blues, I'm ready to confess to me, you know. Because Richie feelings, I say Richie feelings, guess what? You know, say Danger just link me, and I say she have some truth. But them the time there, she don't know the truth already, you know. Because the person will tell me already get everything from the buckle down to the buckle. So me already know the truth and I live with it and never did I say nothing to her. So when she come and I come take DM me 2020, which is must be 2-3 years after me done ask her, she say a lie. She don't know me know the truth already, so me just give her the benefit of the doubt. She come back and Wally and she say, I rape the man, rape her. So hold on there. Me not like Richie feelings, and that's why I'm in a business. That's why I'm stake. Anytime him know everything, me tell him say Richie feelings know everything, you know. Richie, me go live. Me tell her say no, Richie me call. I say Richie, look at this. Look on this now. Me done ask her already, and she say a lie. And now she say, all right, how me move this? Tell her no, me no know if you use that something here. Richie, move your cloth and go from there. You got business because me tell you my business. And you alone me tell me business. Anytime nothing in my life, and you me call and tell me business. So you got business with somebody business. Because if you talk the truth, them you know everything. Me call you and me tell you, you know, everything from jump, you know. Let me stick to this now. When she call me, the truth what she says she have to tell me is, yes, them have sex, but she never willingly have sex with him. It's rape. Where JP there? Because me all remember something in my head. Tell JP say me I call him. When she says rape, remember the whole way a woman. So again, I want to tell me if I lie, if me wrong or whatever. Remember the whole way a woman. So me would have never come out and say, I lie, you tell. Because once again, I was not there. This happened between you and the baby father. I would never tell me. And when me find out after, you want to come confess and tell me. So if it's rape, as you say is rape, Me nah go say a lie. Him never rape her. Cause remember me eat the man like poison. Remember me not like him and me not dip on him side neither. And remember me did ask you if you want to report him and all of this. Me and you go through the whole conversation. Cause at first me did believe say whatever. But me still gonna look back at me and say, lad. Yo. Yo. Deja. Are you the camera original? Hey, your comment. Hey, somebody tell me say a fake page. Who don't tell me say it's a fake page? You know say you the camera reach. Danger. You know say are you the camera go reach and are you a God that go crucify? Are you gonna get the crucifixion? She say rape, so let me continue. Like me say, me now go come out and say, oh, liar tell. I don't rape because I never in the room when it happened.
All right, so that's what Spice I say. Spice go bring this up now. You know, Spice, thing and share promote the album in the at the same time. And then now, Danger went live now for a clear fear here now, and basically say this is very alarming coming from Spice because Spice always champion take a girl man and all of these things, and that she was actually traumatized why she never really run to Spice at the same time. And she was young, I think, from all indications, she was probably like a teenager around 19 or around 20 at the time.
But, alright, let me try to make a point. Spice are upset and I talk about who fuck who for man and who take who for man. But Spice, remember say you sing about that. Remember that's how you believe that your national anthem. Remember when you wanna take the woman man, remember me and you are the best friend. You did not take the woman man and what if a problem coming at the media. The woman over England, the man of England, I mean not call on him. All you hear me? Remember you did not take the lady man, so when you say you sing song about where you remix the Adele song and I say, oh, so why fucking problem? Me sit down with your secret them because me and you the friend. And you take the people them man and we know that. All when you go again. When the whole incident, like me come out of group and say, the man I'll send man come page me and I say, oh, me fi hold it down and I say nothing. And nobody go talk, say, oh, no, a fuck. Because you know what, in the mix up. So what you talk about? Me really not understand. You know have good ways. You have good ways, but you have whole heap of fuck up wicked ways. Anytime young people not agree, you go to the extent to do whole heap of things. Remember, I don't have children. People are whole heap of rapists, a whole heap of pedophile, a whole heap of pervert out there. You know, have to beware. Remember me telling you. Because as me speak right now, And not even him alone me go through that from. Whole heap of people, all family member me go through that from. And another joke thing me I tell you about. And when me talk, whole heap of people tell me say their father and their stepfather feel them up growing up and molest them. It's not a joke thing, it's a serious zone me about my business. Remember me never send your man.
What's your name? Green flag.
Remember me never send your man come trouble me. Remember me there when me there and you go tell me, say, oh, you know what me do. Lady, you know nothing what me do. Cause you see him one in the hotel room the night. I don't forget the same night when the indicator make. You in the hotel room and we do a video and the man go up on the road with version them. Before the man go up on the road, you tell the man, say, don't bother go drink and junk and fuck nobody, come here artist and everybody know me. That was what you said to the man. Me go down in my room, I'm in my business, about my business. And your man come down there, come pull door and do what I do. So, at the end of the day, me tell you that. Me tell you that, and you go say you hear the truth. Oh shit, somebody a call me, which family? You go tell me, boy, you know the truth. Which fucking truth? You live off of lies, you live a lie, you live lie to stay relevant. That's what everybody knows. We know this. So why you go talk about this and that and this and that? Lady, me not have time to make up no story if you look no fame and no hype because I can't sit down and create something. And come with.
They know a part of that. Spice did also signal out Shelly and Puran who have tea time, and Spice said, Shelly, keep my name out of your rotted mouth. So Shelly had to respond as well.
Oh, me take away myself from Spice. I don't care if Cartel hate me. Me hate him too. Well, that have nothing to do with the story. Yeah? That have nothing to do with the story. Me buck up. This is how it starts. Me do a football match. And me see Spice. And Spice and me are hail as usual. Everything nice. So Spice come now and call me, come sit down over to me and say, this is so much years ago, guys. We're talking about 15. We're talking about how long him lock up? 14 years? Or so long we are talking about. But they had a football match. She come and talk to me and she say, yo, the boss needs some help, you know. And me say, what kind of help? She say him need some help with him lawyer fee. So me say him talk to you cause at that time him just gone in. When you can know who make it up. When you will know who make it up because you know who clear up the story too. I'll court that name in it. Yeah, that before them did try. Them rob me, you know. Spice rob me. So me say yes, him need help. She say yes. I'ma say you talk to him. And she say yes. And she say me gonna tell him for call you. Ross. Long story short, Spice have one scammer person that called me. I pretend to be Cartel, but not calling, texting. Say them need money. So I gave money. But before she bust, that before she used, that's why she come on the media and when them cuss and say, you robbed the brown girl up a Digicel by a Range Rover. Well, you mix up the story, Spice. Spice, you know why I cut you off. You know why I cut you off. You know why I cut you off. You rob me of money and you pretend say it's the Cartel, but you know how it come out? is when you get greedy and the people them say them want link with clot Shaggy.
So after Shelly got say fear 2 cents now, I mean, like, can we have the Pulse program? Can we have little peace and love in schools right now? Lord Jesus Christ, no. Spice go on TikTok now and end up in a tracing match with RT Boss, our former spiritual advisor, what people call Obi, man. Lord Jesus P, man.
Fresh drop.
Long time we want to tell Spice go suck her, mama. You're dead.
Yeah, man. Hold on, no, let me talk about it.
We don't want to see over your bitch, you're not getting the eye, go suck your mother.
Fresh drop.
No, wait. RT. Jesus Christ. Bossy, please.
Go suck your mother, Grace Almington. Me don't want you over here. Go suck your mother.
Some of you guys are saying, why did she wait so long to tell her? Let me say this to you. I believe this was her only income at the time. So this is why she was scared. This is just my opinion. They want to know why you waited so long to.
Best is suck out Spice big water and not take no man food. Go suck on the mama.
You're not rest.
But alright, not to cut again, for sure you oh she shady and oh she secretive and full of shit. Me not even did know RT Boss, you know. I never know RT Boss. Look how long me they run Spice and I can't even recall me they see the man. Me go see man not even realize or know say him. I never know the man. And when me come out of the group now, me hear somebody a foreign text and say, you know, see one man named RT Boss with their own Spice or Spice, Obi man a re. Me don't know them there's something there that me I try to show you. And look how we did close and me did there on him. You see me?
Only here say me a legend a long time me I walk up here for the black art girl. But yes, I do be run out now, so I try look at eye back after the do all away now. Spice, go suck out your color where can't change.
Alright. So Danger, clear up that. You waited long because and then we finish. You waited long because I believe this was your only income and you was scared. You said to talk to her because of somebody.
Not only that, remember, you know, it's a traumatic situation. Trauma, if you don't know what trauma mean, you know, go and go Google it. Trauma, that is trauma.
You have a Spice now, name defamation of character, because you fuck up your character, put in a song, say man rape you. If you have a good liar, you can have a good money. This is money, this is bag.
Say fuck dancer and the nose. That not funny. That funny. After me I tell you what the man do, you go come talk about fuck dancer and the nose. Fuck man and the nose.
Hey, listen me. One thing me I say and come down. All the best to come here, me have one thing for tell you now. No Spice can come with the baby sham bird paper. I'm a challenger from 2020 with the DNA test. Go suck on the mama. Me not a time for una on the lazy queen when I hold a man. Tell her I'm still away from the blood clot last zoo and the birth certificate for start out the raffling for the pitney them. Look from when.
Then I'm glad this now. Spice and other people they back and forth now. She all gone on one TikTok page now and a comment and I'm just like, can we just stop? Let me just say, like, I like Spice and her talent, me like her creativity. But Spice, man, Spice. Me not like the promo, me not like when Spice promote. Me like Spice Queen on stage. But you see, when Spice ready for promote something, you have to just gear up yourself for the bagga and the bangarang. And Spice, you don't want peace. You don't want peace and harmony. Me not like it, man. Me like Grace Hamilton, me like when Spice step on stage. But when Spice are promoting, you know, you just have to know, say, you have to just watch her do what she do and just know, say, boy, a fair way for promote and get support. But here's what I will say. Spice, you're a queen, you're a legend, you're all of these things. But the bagga thing, you don't need to involve in it. Because you see, when you put yourself in too much bagga energy, the bagga always assign you. So you go, you can't say no like bagga, but you find your way for the road in the bagga because the bagga always follow you. And that's why you want everybody, because you love the bagga energy. And you have to admit it. And sometimes you used to love the bagga energy too, you know, with it on social media. But they have to stop because I realize say, the bagga will follow you in your life when you run to it too much. So Spice, love the bagga. It's done. You promote your song. the song fine, just left it. But if I dig up old argument and I talk about something as significant as rape, accusations, no, focus on the other stuff. Talk about, you know, the fact that you were so creative and you took on this granny character. Focus on that and left that. Make us celebrate the artistry. Right? That's it. And that I don't like when Spice promote now, but let me just say this. My assessment as somebody who is a big fan of Spice, I feel like Spice really believe in some of the work them and some of the things that she put out. And that's why she promote it like this with a lot of controversy. Because you see when Spice knows that Spice have a proper song, and me talk a proper hit, Spice on the baga, you know? Ramping Chop, certain little thing, she just don't want like a teaser with something there. When she did that drop Indicator, Niggle, Liar, the all of them song there. Spice not know too much baga and stuff them for promote a particular single. But anytime like when we the one the name with the man and she have the naked man in there, anytime when the song not really, you know, she not really so sure about it, that's when she do the other antics them. So Spice, love that. That is my thing. Love it. And yes, so you're there. We need for focus on how all of your music video them have different theme, have different characters, and your wordplay and your imagery. Make we celebrate on that and that be the conversation. But I make the 285 be a conversation about you and baby father and danger. That's not the focus. Okay? Right. That is it. Oh, my 2 cents. That's it, man. Anyway, burritos, let me know what you thought of the entire Spice saga. Sound off below. Well, that's it, burritos. We've come to the end of another top 10 social media countdown, a Monday countdown. Make sure to say you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe. Even though we're at the 300,000 subscriber mark, still subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Also follow me on my social media platforms on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over. And to advertise within the social media countdown, boy, big up Grand Palladium, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Okay, take care until next time. Ta-ta!
The dirty of the berry, yeah, the juicy of the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them. Suck me, how I have me not a week, yo, just tune in, zine.